Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to allow images on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. Scroll down to Content section. Click on Images. In the New tab, open a web page containing images. For example, an image sharing website. As you can see, images are not showing up. To fix that, go back to the previous tab. Now toggle the button next to Do not show any images to allow it. Now go back to the image sharing website and hit refresh. This is how you can allow images on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.